Ever found yourself grappling with the complexities of spoken English? Well, you're not alone. English, being a globally dominant language, can often seem intimidating, especially when it comes to its spoken form. But fear not. For today, we dive into practical tips and strategies that can make learning spoken English a breeze. First up, immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies, read English books, and try to converse in English whenever you can. This constant exposure will help you understand the rhythm, tone, and nuances of spoken English. Secondly, practice makes perfect. Speak English aloud, even if it's only to yourself. This will not only help you build confidence, but also improve your pronunciation and fluency. Third on the list is to learn phrases, not just individual words. Sentences and phrases give context to words and make them easier to remember. Plus, they're a great way to sound more natural and fluent when speaking English. Fourth, don't shy away from making mistakes. It's through errors that we learn, so go ahead and speak, stumble, and learn. Fifthly, leverage technology. Use language learning apps, online courses, and English learning websites. These resources often have interactive tools that make learning fun and effective. Sixth, join a language exchange or conversation group. This gives you a chance to practice speaking English with others who are also learning. It's a supportive environment where you can ask questions, get feedback, and learn from each other. Seventh, keep a diary or journal in English. Expressing your thoughts and feelings in written English can also help improve your spoken English. It helps you organize your thoughts and expand your vocabulary. Lastly, be patient and consistent. Learning a new language takes time, but with regular practice and the right approach, you'll see improvement. To sum it up, immerse yourself in English, practice speaking aloud, learn phrases and not just words, embrace your mistakes, use technology to your advantage, join a conversation group, keep a journal in English, and remember, patience is key. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate your English learning journey. Remember, the aim is to communicate effectively, not perfectly. So, take a deep breath, start speaking, and watch as you gradually become more comfortable and fluent in spoken English. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so don't be too hard on yourself. Keep going, keep learning, and before long, you'll find that spoken English isn't as daunting as it once seemed. Happy learning.